How are you guys? Welcome to my blogging with Geralds. So today we're gonna be running like a little Python. It's not like the really important basis of Python, but we're just running with Python. So my name is Gerald, as I have said. So personally, uh, I started doing Python because I'm doing computering with cybersecurity. So I wanted to just share like the knowledge that I have with what with Python. So I need to show you guys like how to use Python. So it depends with the people, and I'm not really sure which Python will you be using. So first thing I think you need is to update Python interpreter. So the Python interpreter, let me just check. Mine it's launching skeleton generator binary modules. Okay, let me just wait for it to finish what it is doing. So guys, first of all, you need to ask yourself, why are you doing this? Because, of course, some of you are doing this in order for better jobs or better money, stuff like that. So, me personally, I'm doing computering with cybersecurity because, okay, I think because of I just need a better job to sustain myself. Yeah, so my Python is set to OK. This was the project which I was doing before. So if you want to just clear it, you just be like Control A and it will erase everything. So when we are doing a program, when you're running a program, the first easiest program you can ever run in your computer, it's Hello World, right? So depending with what you want. Was Python? Okay, should I say Python or like Python? No, yeah, okay, Python. It's just an app um which stores information of what you want to run or just anything. So I will start with okay. As I have said, the basic Python running code it's hello world. So for me, okay, with what we call like algorithms, like an algorithm is just a step by step to which can be followed by someone who is coding or doing something. Okay, here's the thing. Like in coding, you mustn't even lose or okay, you mustn't exaggerate the information that you will be given. Okay, you feel me? So let's start. I feel like I have over explained the things. So okay, let's see. Mm, it depends on the modules which you will be using. So for me, I'm looking for an example that is very easy to understand and which doesn't require too much. Because trust me, guys, programming is yes, it's a lot of work. So like if you say print, print it's like showing something on the screen. It's like making it like show on the screen. So you'll be like print shift and then open bracket and close bracket, and you tap shift again and oh okay. Oh my keyboard. Let me change this. I need to change this and that. Yeah. Okay. So let's say shift right. And you'll be like caps. Okay. Every small detail when you are doing programming, or let's just say in this case, you see hello, it's like hello world, and you just try, you'll be like you run it. If you run it, let me see. Yeah, if you see it, if it says process finished with exact code 0, that means your programming was right. And okay, you'll see in the like in the future, or let's just say within some minutes, if I have an error, it will tell me exactly where I've gone wrong. So let's say you would say output. Let's think about something. Okay, let's just say output and then shift right like this and say hello world again, and you'll see that okay. So you can see as already it's telling you that the things that you have done already is wrong. So let's say uh hello world like this. So and what should I? You know what? It's just that I'm a beginner, so like personally, uh, I'm still having trouble with with programming. So, okay, let's just remove this. Because I don't see it making it sense. So let's say name, and it equals to caps G. Like so, my name is Gerald Nyamupukuza. I don't know where you are going to see this from, but nice meeting you. Okay, okay, and in coding again, every small detail is important. Like if you miss any detail, right? You see, so it's now like enter, and let's say age is equals to okay. This is this is not how old I am, but okay. And we can say print enter print. So if you see, yeah, if I say print name tab, right, and print age, right, and then tab, and then if you run it, right, you can see hello world Gerald 18. It's the fact that I have run the code, but if it was wrong, it wouldn't like run as it is like right now. So like if I say print name, it will like tell you that your name is Gerald and your age is 18 years old, right? So that will be the output. Those are the final results, right? So if you want to just like clear it, it should be just Control A and backspace, and everything will be gone. So another one, let's say message, right? Okay, message, right? Message is equals to shift right. I love you, right? I love you, right? And you'll be like enter, right? And say uh students, is equals to 30, right? I know some of you are gonna ask me like, where's the student thing coming from, right? So students, right, is equals to 30. Okay, the fact that it is showing that red thingy, what is it? What is it called? Like I forgot, but there's a specific name which is okay. The reason why it's because like I think I didn't right exactly. So if you correct everything, everything will be fine. It should like just be it should tell you that everything is right. And let's say price is equals to $10. Let me just say $10. $10 point five. Right. Oh, I muted my okay. I muted my okay. This isn't the spelling for price. So let me write price is equals to $10 15. And let me show you something. Is student, let's say is student or is student okay, yeah, there was an error here. So let's say is student no, let me put an underscore. Is student, let's see, is student is equals to true. Okay, let's space here is equals to, and let's say true. True, like so. Mm, right. You see, if you enter your like information very properly, print message, it will print like down there, like around here, somewhere here. It will print the exact information, pasting it here. Like it will be like, I love you, student, blah 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 blah, and stuff like that. You see, let's say print yeah, exactly here, and we shall print it here. You see, I love you 30 10.5 true. It's because if you say print, you're telling it instructions to input what you have ordered it to run. Okay, so in Python, well, no, if I say in Python, in programming, that's the correct way to use that term. So in programming, okay, control A shift. Right. You can even like solve math problems, right? Like let's say A is equals to no, I keep on forgetting on like how should I space it's because I'm still new to this as well, but I'm just making an effort to give you guys what I've learned so far. So please don't judge me. Don't judge me for this. Okay, I think in programming the space, like if like yes, you can see I left line number 3 like that. And let's say print. So print it's telling it um values to to work with, right? So let's say print a plus b, right? So you say tab, and then you say let's say hashtag. Oh, it's shift hashtag addition, right? That's this. Um, and okay, and say enter, and say print. Let's keep on printing. Oh, double R. Okay, print open brackets a minus b, right? And say tab and hashtag what should we do, like let's just say subtract. subtract. I'm just using simple math problems. Tract. Okay, there are types of. Okay, I'm not too sure if if okay, yeah, it's still recording. So my laptop it ran out of battery. So as you can see, okay, let's do this. Oh yeah, now it's charging. As you can see, it's now charging. So okay, what okay, what was my aim? Okay, let me check. Okay, it was subtract. All right, subtraction. Okay, let's not subtract like subtraction. Yeah, let's say subtraction, right? And enter, and then print. Yeah, exactly. Tab, um, and we say hashtag shift. Okay, my keyboard it's now changed. Okay, it's hashtag right multiplication, right? And enter and print exactly. Okay, so as you can see, it the program it can be predicted before happening. So let's say division, right? Division, right? Like this. So the output, right? It must solve these problems itself. Let me show you. Let's run the program. As you can see, it's 5 plus 10. Okay, 10 plus 5 is 15. You see? Subtraction 10 minus 5 is 5. 10 by 5 is 50. And 10 divided by 5 it's 2.0. So like this is how you can like run the program. This is like the first steps of learning programming using Python project. So like when you're installing this app, right, you need to install the libraries, so on, many shit. Okay, so if let me say if you want to, okay, if you want the installation video, I'll make the video on how to install Python, right? So I hope you learned a few things, not much though, but a few things from my video. So I would like for you guys to subscribe, like, share, and comment about this video. See you next time, right? See you next time, guys. See you next time.